Now let's see the way we use oils in Ayurvedic treatments and care. So it is Snehapanam, as I told you earlier, it is taking oil in the oral form. You can drink directly the til oil also in certain problems, and we normally advise medicated oils for various problems. So in skin diseases we advise oil intake normally oil is given on empty stomach early in the morning. We just give it on the empty stomach early in the morning, and it is to be taken along with something hot like hot milk, which is a carrier for the hot oil. The oil, it carries and it spreads into the body quickly, and it works wonders in skin diseases. For many of the skin diseases, we give the oils, various oils are medicated oils, not the plain oil. We give the medicated oil for the treatment. And vision problems, for short sight or any something connected with the weakness of eye muscles and all, we give some oils, medicated oils for treatment. And infertility also. Because if you explain it in the modern side, it gives more vitamin E, it improves your cell regeneration and all. And there are so many uses where we, by giving the oils for the treatment of internal use of, as a medicine in the case of infertility. So the examples are what we use is Ksheerabala Thailam, Bala Ashwagandha Thailam. These are some of the oils that we use for internal or oral medication. And Nasyam, I mentioned it is the nasal drops. The medicine is put into the nose, few drops. This is also done early in the morning, before sunrise, early morning. Not normally it is done under the medical supervision. At times we do explain how to do it on a person personally, and allow them to do it. And this is a short route for the medicine to enter into the body, and it also works wonders in various types of disorders. Like it is indicated in, normally we use Anutailam for many problems. Example is that Anutailam. And it is indicated in hair fall, premature graying hair, baldness, migraine, cervical spondylitis and so on. There are so many health problems where we give the oil, medicated oils through the nose. And then Vasti, something similar to the medicated oils. Medicated decoctions are also inserted the rectum. That is called that is also a type of Vasti. And one type of Vasti called Anuvasana Vasti is given with the medicated oils. The medicated oils are introduced through the rectum. Another important seat of Vata is the rectum. So in cases of paralysis or some major diseases, we insert the oil for the treatment. And examples of where this Vasti karma is useful is various Vata disorders. Vata disorders means paralysis is the best example for Vata disorder, major disease, and it improves immunity. As a general, also not as a treatment, you can have it as to improve your immunity also, and it improves the digestive system and prevents aging effects on the body. That is very, very important because it improves immunity, improves your works like an anti-aging agent. So that is why it is called as Rasayanam. So in certain cases, as a preventive measure also, some people can have it once a year or once in 2 years also as a course, the Vasti with the oils. Next, till now I have explained a little bit of about how oils are used for internal, through internal medicine, as an internal medicine. Now let us see how oils are applied externally as part of the treatment. I have given you the names of 8 methods: Abhyanga, Samvahana, Murdha Taila, Karna Purana, Parisheka, Gandusha, Akshitarpana and Avagahana. So all this I will explain you one by one now. So first of all, Abhyangam is the oil massage. Earlier in olden days, even today some people are doing. Part of the daily routine is to have an oil massage on the body, everybody, especially the kids. Later on people, because of some time constraints and all, at least once a week people used to do, and then we all stopped. And again now people are going to the massage centers, paying heavy amounts and get the oil massage done. So, otherwise it is a daily routine, part of a daily routine which prevents so many diseases and maintains the skin, health of the skin, and anti-wrinkle effect is there with the oil massage. So Abhyangam is an Ayurvedic way of oil massage, and special herb-infused Ayurvedic oils are warmed up gently and massaged onto the skin. So whenever you use the oils for massage, it is better to just make them lukewarm and then do the massage. So this can be done at home also, not necessary to go to a center and get it done. So what are the benefits of doing the oil massages? Relaxation, harmonizes, detoxifies, strengthens and revitalizes the entire body. It is like overhauling your body, servicing your body. So if you are doing it regularly, there is no need of repairs later on. So they are very much useful and very simple, everyone can do at home. And it improves your lymph flow and stimulates the immune system. As long as the lymph flow is good, it takes back all the unnecessary, unwanted substances and it stimulates the immunity. Once the immunity is good, you are not exposed to any of the diseases. The body is able to fight against the diseases, so it protects your body from unnecessary diseases. And it calms and strengthens the nervous system, protector, preserver and the rejuvenator. So because central nervous system is the commander in chief. If that is functioning normally, the whole body functions normally. So this oil massage relaxes the nervous system and maintains the health, because if the main system is functioning and it is sending all good messages to all the organs will function normally and without any diseases. And again I mentioned the indications of Abhyanga, the oil massage. So many, there is no exception for the oil massage. Everybody can have it, like a rejuvenation. Everybody wants it. People of all ages can do that. And infertility cases, Abhyangam helps in stimulating their hormonal system. And for relaxation, nobody is anti-stress in an anti-stress stage. Everybody wants a relaxation. And all Vata related disorders, general weakness and disorders of joints. Many people after 40 have the problem of joint problems. So this oil massage helps them in getting rid of the arthritis problems. And diseases of muscles, nervous system and gynecological problems also. All the menstrual disorders also, this oil massage will help them in clearing the disorders. Cardiovascular problems and psychological problems, because it gives the relaxation, and musculoskeletal problems. For all the problems it is of help. Coconut oil is good for pitta, and mustard oil is good for the body type of kapha type, and sesame oil is good for vata type, and it is suitable for everyone. Anyone can use the sesame oil or the tilka tel for oil massage. And if it is during winter, you just make the oil warm and do, and during summer you can use the oil as it is. And some medicated oils like Dhanvantari Thailam are very, very good. If there is some body pains or tiredness and all, if you massage Dhanvantari oil all over the body and take hot water bath, it is very, very relaxing. It has played an important role in the Ayurvedic healthcare. Normally people think that once you apply oil, it is only that moisturizing feeling is there. That is the external, everybody feels that, but it is not the simple thing. These oils, they transmit the qualities of oil into the physiological and psychological level, and that is how they work. They improve the quality of the body, the quality of all the systems, their functioning and structure also. And this can be used by anyone, the 1 day old baby to 80 plus old people also. Anybody can use it anytime. It is suitable for everyone. And when you use it along with, instead of using the plain herbs, if you mix the medicated oil, the herbs are mixed and processed. The extra benefits of the herbs also come to the body. So it's always advisable to have medicated oils for oil massage. So that is about the oil massage, externally total body massage. There is one more method of application of oil where the oil is poured on the body. It is taken into a container and dropped on the body from a distance. You might have seen any programs or advertisements where the oil is taken into a container and it is poured on the body from a particular distance at a particular pressure and for some duration throughout the body. And that is very good because you use more oil and the pressure of the falling is also there. It works wonders.